Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Allan Reynaldhy. I'm a student of Padang State University in Teknik faculty and majoring education automotive. Today, I will make a video. We will discuss about definition, function, or component, and ways of manual transmission. We will discuss or share my knowledge about manual transmission. Okay, we start. We will discuss about the first is about definition of manual transmission. The first, before discussing various segments at the beginning of this meeting, Mas Sena will review the meaning of manual transmission. Please note in the advance, in general, the transmission is a component on the engine that the was and the change to speed or rotation power of the engine and not of the wheel which can later be used to drive the vehicle. In the addition, the power transfer system includes the clutch, transmission, differential, axle, and vehicle wheels. All parts be after the clutch unit of the power transfer system on vehicle. For example, like this, let's say on motorcycle that has 4 speed, the location of the manual transmission, here transmission, here one as of the hard parts. By a little understanding of the meaning of the manual transmission, it can be conveyed briefly that the understanding of the manual transmission system is a component of the transfer of power generated from the engine of the axle that make the vehicle run according to its coordination. Okay, the next we will discuss about manual transmission system. The manual transmission system have 3 functions in here. We will discuss about 3 functions of the transmission manual. Okay, the first function of the manual transmission is to channel power or even just call the engine speed from the clutch to the sub-propeller shaft. The number 2 is then the second function of the chain, the moment generated to change moment of the generated by the engine according the several needs. The depend on the burden home. by the engine and the road train. The function, the number 3 is, in addition, the function of this manual transmission also lies to possibility that vehicle to move backward or also reverse switch. And the next we will discuss about how it works manual transmission. Maybe this is the part of the manual transmission. This is very important from this component. In the discuss or share knowledge today, the manual transmission have 5 functions. Or sorry, the manual transmission have the 3 functions, and the how works manual transmission have by step works. Step by step we will discuss about the how to manual transmission work. Okay, we will start from the step 1. First, the way the manual transmission works when it is a neutral condition or on neutral position. Then the engine will not be distributed in this position. Then the engine not distributed to the output shaft. This is because synchronous in free or not being connected to the level gear. The means or the car in position stop. The number 2 is for the working of the second manual transmission engine, which is when the transmission lever in press. The gear shifter will be automatically rotated together with the shift drum. Player that lines and drives to shift drums until the spin condition. And now we will to discuss about the step 3 or part 3, the how it works manual transmission in the car. The number 3 is then the way the natural transmission works is that the side drum will be attached with a tooth selector port that has been given a pin, where this pin will later lock the selector port on the thread. The number 4 is then of the gear selector port that is connected to the sliding gear will move right or left where the movement will follow where the movement of the gear selector moves. Every movement in this sliding gear will look on the gear speed that is adjusted to the subsector where the tooth is located. And the final step how it works manual transmission or work of manual transmission in the discuss today is stepping on the workings of the neck manual transmission speed gear 1, 2, 3 or 4 acceleration will be free to rotate on its axis. Say when the gear come on when the motorcycle is being driven. Actually, the condition is the process of locking the speed gear, which is lying to the shaft where the gear is in the locking process, which is done by the sliding gear.